In this video, I am going to document these two custom mail script buttons. So the first button clicking on this first button will run this script and it will ask for a script name. So if I give it a script name like this with .mail, then it will open the script into the external script editor where I can create new and also edit existing scripts. I can also run this script using this button. Here I will give the same name of my script, and if I now click on this, the script will run. It shows that the polyplane p-plane 1, that is this object, the full DAG path, and it has 4 edges and all the vertex indices. So these are the 2 buttons which I have written, and this is the script for that button, these 2 buttons, and the script is running. Even if I select multiple objects, it will still do the same thing, execute the same script. Oh come on, I have clicked on cancel, so nothing to do is printed, actually this line. So I will go for it once again, and this time I will click on OK. See how the polycube has 12 edges showing, and it's also printing number of edges of this plane and their vertex indices also. So this is what I written today, and this is the first way of editing, creating and executing script in Maya with an external script editor, any text editor. It could be Notepad in Windows, gedit in Linux. In this case I am using the VS Code for writing mail with this Mail Maya embedded language support. I need to uninstall this because this is not working, Maya port, so I came up with this. This script which I learned from different sources and put together to do this kind of task. Thank you.